Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Pium, pium, pium. Pium, pium. Sorry. Maybe you can guess from which movie I just watched a part of it, you know, on Twitter. Maybe with this song you can guess which one. I have to watch it. Don't tell me spoilers about it if you know which one I'm talking about, but I have to watch it. Stop! Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Boys Season 1, Episode 8, the final episode of this first season. I watched the episode 7 this morning. I'm gonna put the link if you want to see my reaction video about this one. So right now I'm gonna watch the final episode and I'm really excited about it. I have to say it, between the time that I watched the episode 7 and between now, I had a bad moment. I don't know how to explain it, a private moment. I'm not gonna talk about it, but it was something difficult to handle. So I took time before beginning this video, before watching this episode, because I needed time. So I'm not in a bad mood. I'm excited to be there and that's it. I'm not thinking again about what happened in my life, but I'm not as excited as I would be if it wouldn't happen. Maybe you can understand that, maybe not, but I have to warn you about that. I'm excited to see that final episode, but I think that I could have been more excited without that event. I cannot wait to see that final episode. I cannot wait to see what they're gonna do during this final episode, because really I have no clue about it. I said it during the review of the last episode. I have no clue about it because now really each one of them are aware of what the other ones are doing, why they are doing that, what did they do, all of that. They are all aware of everything. So okay, now that we have that, now that we have like the 7 knowing who are on the Mallory's group, the fact that they just exist and the fact that they are trying to do things against the 7, what can they do, the 7, and what can they do, the Mallory's group? I don't know. And also, that CIA girl, can she really threaten Vought just like that with the Compound V? I'm not sure of that, because you know that scene at the end with the soup terrorist, it's really the proof that yes, Vought was also testing to make, you know, soup terrorist like they were trying to do with Kimiko. So now we know that they were really doing that. They have superheroes terrorists and maybe they can use them against, I don't know, the CIA, the government, everyone who is against them. I don't know. And you know, Vought for me is really an entity which has so much powers and so much also connections with powers and with persons in government, in lobbies and all of that, that I'm really not sure that you can really do something against them. You can't stop them. I really think that you can't stop them. Maybe you can ask some things, but not for them to stop. For me, it's not possible. So I'm really waiting for this episode to prove me right or wrong with that. I want to see that. I hope, but I think that I'm not gonna have it. I was gonna say I hope that Homelander is gonna die because I am really like tired of his character. Every time that he's on screen I'm disgusted, angry, and I want to punch him in his face. It's really great, you know, I mean the actor is doing an amazing job with that character. He's such a great villain, and I know that it would be a good thing if we are keeping him for the next season, to have still a villain like that. But at the same time, I don't want to see him again. Don't want to see him again doing bad stuff, killing people, raping people, threatening people, doing that weird stuff because of his mommy issues. I'm tired of him, so we'll see. We'll see about what is gonna happen to him during this episode. Please, something bad. But you know, I think that with this show, we can't hope for the best. Do you understand what I mean? We can't be like, okay, I want that, and that to happen, because really it's the kind of show where you can't wish for anything, because if you are wishing for something, you can be sure that the contrary is gonna happen. So right now I'm wishing for Homelander to die, so I'm pretty sure that he's gonna survive. And maybe he's gonna kill someone that we love. That would be the perfect contrary of my wish. I wish I would have never wished that. Fuck me. Fuck me, because really, if someone is dying during this episode, I'm gonna hate myself. Please remember that moment if it's gonna happen. Fuck me. I'm really waiting also for what's gonna happen during this episode for Yui and Starlight, because like I said since the beginning, for me they are really interesting characters, not because I like their personalities and all of that, but really because of what they are representing in this show. They were representing the pure ones at the beginning. They were pure, they were not impacted by this world, by the rules in this world, and with episode they are learning the rules in this world, and they are more and more impacted by it, and they are more and more involved into it. One into the seven, one against the seven, and they are doing stuff and they are refusing some stuff, and it's really interesting to see their evolutions into that world with the rules of that world, into the seven, against the seven. It's so interesting, so I cannot wait to see this episode for that, and also for their relationship, you know. Now that Starlight knows what Yui did, I'm not sure that, you know, a relationship can exist for them, at least during this season. I mean, Starlight is not gonna forgive Yui just like that in one episode. I'm not believing in that. So we'll see about that. Butcher, he has to stop with this. All of the superheroes are bad people. As long as he believes that he can't win. But we saw his background during the last episode, and that was interesting. I'm not sure that he's gonna change his mind during this episode, but please at least stop killing people, stop killing superheroes just like that, like this Mesmer. Okay, he was a pure dick, and okay, he betrayed you, but the way that he killed him, no. Really, no, it was not a good choice, a good move. I can't be okay with that, I can't. And for the other characters, I have some expectations for Maeve. I hope that she's gonna show her real face, you know, the real Maeve. I'm not sure, you know, we are at the episode 8 and I'm still not sure to really know Maeve, to really know her intentions, to really know her character, what she's made about, you know, what are her principles in life and all of that. I was angry at her at the beginning because she was really like following the rules, and okay, we saw that she was against some of them, but still she was accepting them, and she was, yes, following Homelander, following his moves and all of that. After that we learned more stuff about her, the fact that she was an alcoholic, the fact that she had a girlfriend that broke up, she's not out, and all of that. And it was interesting, but still during the last episode she manipulated a little Starlight, and yes, I'm still not sure of what I'm thinking about her, because I really don't have the impression that I know her, you know. So I'm not sure that I'm gonna know more about her during this episode, but yes, I wanted to share my point of view about her. And Deep, really Deep, his character, I'm not sure where we are going with him, and I'm not sure that I want to go somewhere with him. Like I said during my review of the last episode, I have trouble to be interested by his storyline. Really, his character, I'm sorry, but I'm not interested by his character. Not because he raped Starlight, not because he raped other women, not because now he's out the seven and that episode with the dolphin, that episode with the lobster, that episode with the woman and all of that. It's not things for which I can be interested about him, and I just don't care about him. And I don't see where we are going with him, if he can be useful at some point or not, if he's gonna be important for the story at some point or not. For me, right now, it's just useless, and I don't know. For now, I'm really like, I don't care. Okay, I already talked a lot for this intro, so stop and let's go for this final episode of The Boys. That was great to discover that new show. Thank you to those of you who told me that you have to try this show, you're gonna like it and all of that. You were right about that, so thank you for that. And I hope that you enjoyed that little time spent with me with this little binge watching of the first season. It was something great. I had a good time watching this show, so yes, thank you, and I hope that you enjoyed it also. Stop talking, I'm gonna keep that for the review. Let's go for the episode 8. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Bum, bum, bum. Sorry. Let's go.
You are the real heroes.
Shut the fuck up, I'm tired of you. Don't do. Okay, you did it. And you enjoyed it. Fuck you. Compound V?
State is not exactly a hotbed of scientific expertise. How did they get the formula?
Honestly, we have no idea.
She's telling that they stole the Compound V
Frankly, it doesn't even matter how the enemy got the compound V. What matters
from
is
you.
they got it.
You needed enemies like that to justify your superheroes. She's clever. We have to give her that.
Fugitives.
Bob insisted and the DOJ agreed.
Fuck, your deal is out.
I'm sorry.
You're really not helping.
And you want to cut, bite, and run before playing a final card.
Which is?
Give us a couple of hours. What's that?
Starlight is your final card.
Oh, Annie.
I said it during my review of the last episode that maybe Yui was not gonna be the switch for her, but her speaking with her mother about her origin.
What's compound V?
Compound V? I don't know, sweetheart. Should I?
Oh, you did.
Annie, honestly, I don't know.
How old when you let them turn me into a freak?
You're not a freak.
How old? I'm sorry, Annie. Breeze?
There was no money. They just paid for the medical bills. I mean, who would want that?
You made me think that I was chosen by God.
You were. God brought God into our life.
You did. And then you controlled every single minute of it.
This was our dream.
This was your dream. I never got a chance to choose my own dream.
He told me that Daddy left because he lost all of our savings. He agreed to all of it. And then one day, he didn't.
Oh,
So I'm lost.
no, but you did something wrong with
Anything
that.
to be what you are. Annie!
I've always wanted to leave my unit, Jeff. It's like a dream come true for me.
I'm not sure that you're gonna live that dream.
So why?
Never?
I talked to New York. And, you know,
You can't leave the seven and then come back. It's not working like that, you know. That music, it's really not helping to take him seriously. Oh no! Mallory? I thought she was dead.
I thought we agreed that you were never going to come out here.
I didn't want to come here. But I need your help. And you gotta fucking help.
Yui is scared.
Because you owe me.
She's sweet. But really, first time that you're gonna fight someone and it's gonna go out. Really? Oh! She was right! Out! Fuck! Tell me that you can escape. Fuck! No! Hide! Really hide! You're not fully hide right there. I said it.
Train me up, manipulate me, aim your homelander like a fucking howitzer.
You can leave with something.
With what?
If you never come back. Madeline was still up.
What's vaguely?
They have a, what shall we say, a very special relationship.
Yes.
I don't know if Homelander has a weakness, but if he does, she'll know it.
She can be that weakness.
Really looks like you're only keeping an eye on me. You know I'm A-Train, right? I'm A-Train. I'm the fastest fucking man alive. What are you all fucking looking
You're
at?
losing it.
Boys are gone.
What?
Ooh.
Someone's grabbed them.
To go back for them.
You don't get it, Huey. We got about a couple of hours before they find us.
Abandoning them.
A little, but I can understand his reason. They're gonna keep them alive. They are more useful alive than dead.
It's all about Homelander, isn't it?
Also,
You never cared about me. Or Robin, did you? I was just useful to you.
you just figure it that out now?
I just gotta take one more step.
I said it. One more step into that path.
We have to save them.
Now he's saying no. Starlight, she said no episodes ago. Now he's saying no.
Then what? This is never gonna stop. It's just gonna be more blood and awfulness.
No, he's right. You're just gonna drag us all down with you. Not me. Not anymore.
I said it for his evolution, for the evolution of his character. It's so. He's taking back control. He's saying no. I said it. I have trouble to be interested by his storyline, but at least now we have the full music. Woo! He's doing a Britney Spears move. Yes, you're still out. Don't hurt yourself. I prefer that. That closure for that scene, I prefer that. Really? They're gonna know that you're here.
If you're gonna take a shot, go long balls.
Yes?
Just two.
Not funny.
I need your help.
Oh, you have some balls.
Lot is giving Compound B to some bad fucking people, like really bad.
Huey, I was almost arrested just for knowing you. I had to convince them that I was an idiot. You have 30 seconds to get the hell out of here.
Because you're a superhero.
Really. I can't remember the last time I saved anyone.
You saved me.
Bowling.
How? Bowling.
It's supposed to be a romantic line. Not falling for it. Jeez.
I don't care.
No, you cared.
How the fuck are you?
You took it.
You back on that Compound B. You've always just been jealous of me, so go ahead.
Please.
Fucking loser.
Black Noir, where are you? Are we gonna see your face one day?
I'm just.
Mr. Edgar, I
Oh!
going to come.
You, Edgar? Oh yes! I love this actor. So great. What?
Pentagon shelling out north of $40 billion per year. Enjoy yourself, Madeline. Start thinking about the view.
Okay, 82, that was the floor. I thought that it was the entity who was governing vote. Oh, you're drunk.
It's a hell of a party trick.
You're drunk and you're in that outfit?
Will you excuse me?
She's gonna vomit. Ah!
I really did break every bone in my right arm.
What?
Stopping the bus from falling? You said marketing guys made it up. I really did want to make a difference.
And you lost it when?
When I started giving pieces of myself away. You know what? Just be original. Be the annoying goody two-shoes asshole that you are. I'm obsessed to be.
That's the sweetest thing that you said since the beginning.